Now, in continuation to where I left from the last time, the first thing that I did was visit the Jam Cafe. Jam Cafe is quite famous. So if you look up on the internet, definitely be there at the top. The waitress were really nice to me, and then I ordered some black coffee, my favorite, and also had chicken. I forgot the name, but I promise you that it was really nice. So that's me having a cup of coffee and taking a selfie with Big Moose looking at me. And then this was the food, this fridge, and it was time to do some round of exercise. So I looked into the map, I looked into the different places that I can visit on foot, and then added everything on the map. So it was all about walking all these places. So Victoria is a small town and there's nothing like exploring on foot. So the first thing that I did was I went up to this place called, I forgot the name again, it's alley, some kind of alley it was, but this is old Chinatown. And obviously it's not too hard to identify Chinatown. That's the Fantan Alley, by the way. That was the alley I went to. This is Canada's oldest Chinatown, and as you can see here, it's not for the weak-hearted. Basically the alley is very small and you would find a lot of shops there, small shops. Unfortunately, when I went there, the shop wasn't open, so I did not see what was inside, but it looked like small cute shops in the alley. And trust me when I say, towards the end of the small walk that I had in that alley, I really felt scared, so I quickly hurried down the alley towards the end and towards the street. It was such a relief to reach the street, and from there onwards I decided to head to a park. Again, I forgot the name of the park. Let me recall after some time. So it was time for me to take some pictures, and I really enjoyed the city, so decided to take a couple of selfies. The buildings were huge, very old buildings, but it looked as beautiful as the Canada we would imagine back in the past. And I could see the Fisherman's Wharf as well from the distance, but there was still time to go there, so I went off to the Beacon Hill Park. So that was the park that I missed. I had missed the name previously, and the first thing that you see in the park is a small hillock that I wanted to check. After spending a few moments at the Beacon Hill Park, I decided to then go towards the 0 mile marker, the place where Terry Fox, the great marathon runner of Canada, ended his run. So watch out for that in the next episode.